Hello and welcome to Bake and Cook with Passion. My name is Melody and I'm going to share a recipe with you for chickpea chocolate chip cookies. Wow, that's a lot of C's. Chickpea flour. It's an excellent substitute for wheat flour. It has a better nutrient profile than refined flour as it provides more vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, and it has fewer calories. It's a great alternative for people with celiac disease, gluten intolerance, or wheat allergy. It is a great flour for people with diabetes, or maybe you're just following a low-carb lifestyle. A quick comparison. Chickpea flour per cup has 53 grams of carbs, 21 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber. All-purpose flour per cup has 95 grams of carbs, 12 grams of protein, and only 3 grams of fiber. So as you can see, this is a healthier flour to substitute with. Is this your first time visiting my channel? Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post the next video. If this is not your first time, welcome back. Now let's get started. A written version of this recipe is also posted on bakeandcookwithpassion.com. You're going to take your chickpea flour, salt, and baking soda and mix together and set aside. This is a very delicate flour and it's a little bit denser than all-purpose flour, so make sure you follow directions completely. The salt is pink in this video because I'm using Himalayan salt. In a small bowl, mix your egg and then add your vanilla, sugar, and melted butter. Now I'm giving you an option here. You can use melted butter or you can also use coconut oil, especially if you're watching calories or perhaps you're doing a no dairy diet. Today I'm going to use melted butter. Add the sugar and mix well. If you notice in the video, the sugar is brown. That's because I'm using a pure sugar. It's a raw sugar. It's okay to use regular sugar, coconut sugar, or even a sugar substitute. Add your wet ingredients to the flour mixture and mix well. Once your dough is well mixed, add the chocolate chips. Now I'm using a milk and a dark in this particular video, but you can also use all dark with no dairy, or you can use regular semi-sweet chocolates. Of course, pecans is optional. Now fold and combine the ingredients all together. Now look at that. That's a delicious chickpea cookie dough. Now this looks just like regular cookie dough, but with added benefits. Scoop onto your cookie sheet. Now using a small spatula, Flatten the top of each cookie. This will help give it a chewy center. Remember, this dough is just a little bit different. Refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes. Bake at 325 for 12 to 15 minutes, making sure the center of the cookies are done. Yummy, healthy, and delicious guilt-free cookies made with chickpea flour. Who would have thought that was ever possible? I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share so that I can bring more videos like this to you.